put dirty clothes in the washing machine. Wanna go and get you out, man? Sure. Anyway, cheap boot me got on. T-shirt them me dash me hot on. Me pants are no Louis Vuitton, but me outfit tough like a police baton. Yeah, me a go shop till me drop. Buy a pants and a shirt and a cap. Me no got no money fi buy gap. I want 50 buy me flip flop. If it good, them say boss it shot. Cheapness a fi me target that. Them say grams where you get your outfit. Oh yeah, me get it round and market back. You want me talk it back? Cheapness a fi me target that. You can't stay there, I call it crap. Me get it round and market back. Me no watch what me in. Me 5 bills sponsor the winner. I want thing grandpa care about nowadays. What me a go name for me dinner? Can't tell. When me and grandson a floss, rum and Pepsi we got in a big glass. If me use the money buy Hennessy, how the hell me a go buy breakfast? Stacy tell me say curry go nice. She alla say she want KFC twice. Me have to worry about price, cause the real fast food that a mackerel. Them say boss it shot. Cheapness a fi me target that. Them say grams where you get your outfit. Me get it round and market back. Wait, you want me talk it back? Cheapness a fi me target that. Where you think me buy Margaret frack? Me get it round and market back. $100, $200, $300, $4. It alone me have, you hear me say me nah no more. I walk go up a Hawkeye store. I ask him fi sell me one of the shirt them we wore. But you will never see me beg, no. Can't buy the wash tub, me use keg. Everything in a me house a bootleg. I bet you never know you coulda use half a egg. I in a half it crap. Cheapness a fi me target that. Them say grams where you get your outfit. Me get it round and market back. You want me talk it back? Cheapness a fi me target that. Me love go there when the starlet pack. Same place round and market back. Oh sir, come here man. I see him piece of pork from last week that can't good man, that's so long in I blast you shot. Yeah, it smell funny, my God, keep that.